Here we have probably a prime example of more of a restoration type of cleaning. Feel pretty good though about what we can do with this Berber carpet that's probably 25 to 30 years old. Heavy wear and traffic patterns through there. Obviously they had a rug here. You can kind of tell what the difference should have been. We'll see how we do after we get done cleaning. And here we are about halfway through. Just want to give you a little comparison shot here. Move that table back and finish it off like painting carpet. So final product.